Hey everyone, welcome. If you're a recent graduate and you're thinking about the future of tech, you have definitely come to the right place. Today, we are breaking down a huge new opportunity from Zensar. It's a real chance to get your start in the incredible world of generative AI. So let's just jump right in. The big question, really, is are you ready to take that first big step? Look, this isn't just about finding another job. We're talking about launching a career in a field that is literally building the future. And Zensar is offering a genuine launchpad to get you there. Okay, so what exactly is this job? Well, Zensar is bringing on recent graduates for a bunch of different projects, all in the generative AI space. And let's be real, this field is just exploding right now. Getting your foot in the door at this stage means you'll be building skills that are right on the cutting edge of technology. You're going to be involved in the foundational work that makes all this AI magic actually happen. So, first up, you might be working on something called Annotation. And what's so cool about this is how simple it sounds, but how absolutely critical it is. It's kind of like teaching a little kid. You point to a picture of a dog and you say, dog. That's basically annotation. You're labeling data so you can teach an AI model how to recognize things and, well, understand the world. And that, of course, leads right into data labeling. You're taking all this raw data, we're talking images, text, audio, you name it, and you're tagging it. Because without this step, all that data is, well, it's pretty much useless noise. People who do data labeling are the ones who turn that chaos into structured language that machine learning algorithms can actually learn from. And then there's this, which is honestly one of the hottest skills in tech right now, prompt engineering. This is where things get really creative and fun. It's basically the art of asking the right question to an AI. You'll learn how to write instructions, or prompts, to get the best, most accurate, and most helpful answers from a generative AI. It's part science, part art, and 100% in demand. So let's be super clear here. All of these roles, annotation, data labeling, prompt engineering, they are your way into the AI industry. This isn't one of those jobs that needs 5 years of experience. No, it's designed from the ground up to be the place where you start building that experience, right as the industry is taking off like a rocket. That is a massive career advantage. Okay, so at this point, you're probably wondering, hey, is this for me? Am I the right fit? Well, let's go through a quick checklist and find out. The criteria are pretty straightforward. You'll need a bachelor's or master's degree. But look at the other points here. Strong communication, eager to learn new things, a team player. You see, they're looking for more than just technical chops. They're looking for people with a real growth mindset. All right, let's get to the part everyone's probably waiting for, the rewards. You've seen the job, you know the requirements, so what can you actually expect to get out of it? Let's talk about the compensation. It's the big question, right? Especially when you're just starting your career. What does a role like this actually pay? Okay, here it is. The cost to company, or CTC, ranges from 3 to 12 LPA. Now, if you're not familiar, LPA stands for lakhs per annum, and 1 lakh is 100,000 Indian rupees. So yeah, that's a pretty wide range, which tells you there's some incredible potential for a really strong starting salary here. It all just depends on your skills and the project you land on. And this is really important to understand. Where you fall in that salary range isn't just random. It's based directly on how you do during the selection process and which specific project you get matched with. So, it definitely pays to bring your A game. Okay, so if you're listening to this and thinking, yes, this is what I've been looking for, then this next part is for you. It's your call to action. It's time to stop just learning about this opportunity and actually go for it. Here's exactly what you need to do next. And the good news is, taking action is super simple. Let's walk through the exact steps to apply and make sure you stay in the loop. So there are just 2 simple steps. First, head over to the application portal using that first link you see. That's where you'll get your official application in. Second, and this is just as important, make sure you follow the updates link. This is how you'll stay on top of the whole process and any new announcements. Seriously, don't sleep on this. So we'll just leave you with this one final thought. Opportunities to get in on the ground floor of a massive tech revolution like this one, they don't come around very often. The door is wide open right now. The only question left is, are you going to walk through it?